Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Louisville, Texas. And we're standing on the brand new Harris Sunliner Sport. So Sunliner, always one of the better selling models that Harris builds. They just completely redesigned it for this year. And this is our first Sunliner Sport that we've gotten in. Fantastic boat. So flip down armrests. The backrests are sloped a little bit more. They've got a little bit more texture to them. They're a little bit more comfortable to sit on. If you notice the speaker grills, they've now gone to wet sounds for the stereo system on board here. Also now storage built into the backrests up front. If you see the boat next to us, that was kind of, it's a little bit nicer than the older Sunliner was, but you kind of see how it was wraparound. Now you've got these slope seats, slope backrests here in the front. So if you want to sit facing backwards, you can. Double USB ports next to all of your speakers, extra cup holders, in-floor ski locker, and moving back here, a new storage system that I don't know how to open. There we go. A latch. Removable cooler, storage built into here, as well as a glove box. The elevated helm made its return, which is great because it was one of the most popular options on board Sunliners. Wet sounds audio, wireless cell phone charger built in. It has like it's kind of hard to see, but it's got a little thing in there that squeezes your phone to keep it from bouncing around, to keep it on the charger. 9-inch Simrad screen built into the dash. What makes this the Sport as opposed to the regular Sunliner is the addition of a few options, most notably the water sports tower. So really, really nice, big, extended bimini top on this. You get a lot of shade. We can also add a forward shade too if you want the forward shade. All right, so this one's the SLDH floor plan. So SL stands for single lounge, which is the flip-flop backrest. The DH stands for dual helm because it's got the second captain seat. So, over here on your companion side, smaller console, double USB port, USB, USB-C, cup holder, another wet sound speaker, and the flip-flop backrest. So you can sit like this, facing backwards while you're pulling kids on the tubes or the skis. If people want to sit facing forward, it just flips that way. This thing will also flip all the way down flat to make this a full bed. They moved the location of the battery switch. It's now right here for super easy access, which is fantastic. This one's going to also have an air compressor built into the back for an inflator, deflator for your tubes or other water toys. 300 horsepower V8, so we put a nice big motor on the back of this one. It's going to be a fantastic riding boat, and the performance is going to be awesome. Flip over submersible swim seat, one of the most popular options we stock on really the vast majority of our pontoon boats. It's our customers love it. Gives you a place to sit in the water while people are swimming around the back. Also, the best way in the world to get dogs off and on if you got pets that go swimming. And then the lily pad ladder, nice strap. Easily the nicest ladder in the pontoon industry right now. So the tower is also folding, so you just unscrew 2 hand knobs and it'll lower down for storage purposes. So great boat for us. We're going to love it. We're going to sell a pile of these. So if you have any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.